Hey everyone, this is Greg at Ramsey Canyon Retreat. It's February 11th. We just got some snow. Wanted to take a little video of the creek while we have it running. This is the Creekside trail, and you can see we have lots of deer on the property. But I love sitting here looking into this pool with the water coming off of the root of the cottonwood tree. Such a great spot. I'll take you for a little walk here on the Creekside trail. There's always a bunch of turkey and deer running around. Amazingly, plenty of birds this time of year as well. There's still 5 different kinds of hummingbirds visiting the feeders. Also been seeing the hepatic tanagers, all the different woodpeckers, ladder-backed, red-naped, acorn, Arizona, of course, Gila. Oh, they get feisty. They're picking up seed scraps that are falling out of that feeder that we have set up over there. Another spot you can sit and enjoy the creek as it's flowing. Walk up the trail a little bit more. We hadn't had the creek flowing for a little while because the monsoon wasn't as good in 2023 down here, so we missed it this summer, but it's awesome to have it come in the winter time. Get us ready for spring and the migration season to start. We're very fortunate to have a little over a quarter mile of creek frontage. Here's another bench seating spot. Another hummingbird feeder to hang out and watch. Why don't you come up and see us? We do have day guests on the property. We also have 3 different rentals and RV sites now, which are coming along pretty awesome. Give us a call anytime. Visit our website, ramseycanyon.com. Hope to see you soon.